What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B, and we back in this mode with another video, man. Y'all see the title. Today we doing something a little different, man. We're gonna be trying out PlayStation 5 hacks made from my man, or I say the video made by my man John Glasscock, man. If you guys haven't checked him out, be sure to go over and check him out, man. But this video is always like 2 years old, so we're gonna see if these PlayStation hacks still currently work in today's date 2023 from 2 years ago, so that's 2021. We're gonna see if they still work, man. We do got the PS5, like I said, man. PS5 game. We here got my little control freak up there. Well, man, look, shout out to control freak. But anyways, man, we're gonna check and see if these PS5 hacks still work today. If you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy content like this, man, be sure to smash that like button for me. Subscribe, click the bell, like, content notification, so you don't miss no bangers.
What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for the PlayStation 5. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 really easy PS5 secret features and life hacks that are actually pretty genius and worth trying. If you're someone who's brand new to the PS5, then I think you'll definitely find these tips useful and interesting. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Tip number 1 is for logging into your PlayStation 5 without letting your friends know that you're online. Simply press the options button before logging in and select appear offline. You can also change this setting in the control center by selecting your user icon and then choose online status.
I knew that.
Come on now,
I already knew that. John,
Come
last
on,
talk, I already
man.
knew how to do that already. You gotta give me something different. Boom, we here. We're gonna, before we sign in, 3-bar menu right there. Bam, you know what I'm saying? I always sign in offline. I don't know why. B, you're not that famous. B, twice, you're not famous at all. I know. Listen. It don't really matter. Y'all didn't know that? Now you know.
Number 2 will make it much easier for you to navigate the PS5 main dashboard. Instead of using the directional arrows to access the search and settings feature, you can simply press the triangle button on your DualSense controller to get directly to these features. It's definitely a lot quicker, and if you do it enough times, it will eventually become muscle memory.
Okay. I didn't know that one. Now that one's a new one to me. Let's try that real quick. So he said press triangle on your controller. What is this? Hold on, we got that. He said press triangle on your controller. Cause I've been doing it like that. I didn't know you can. So we're gonna press triangle right now on the controller. That's fire. Okay. I didn't know that. That's actually fire right there. That's something new that he just told me. Let me know if you guys knew that already in the comments.
Great if you want a quick and easy way to temporarily mute all pop-up notifications on your PS5. Simply access the PS5 control center and then select notifications.
Okay. Access, boom. Then go to notifications. Boom, the bell icon, and in here. So we can mute notifications here. Okay. I never really use this option, but it's there for those who want to use it.
Number 4 is a secret way to completely mute all of the audio on your PlayStation 5. All you gotta do is just hold down the microphone mute button on the DualSense controller until it begins to flash. When you're ready to unmute, just press it again and all of your in-game audio will come back once more.
I knew that one. So you press and hold on the mic mute right here. I already knew that one right there. So when we press and hold it, it mutes both our mic and game sound audio as well. So everything is system audio, game sound audio, mutes everything. But if you just press it once, it just mutes the controller. It mutes the controller itself. But if you press and hold both the microphone and the audio, man. So if y'all didn't know that, now you know. And it also flashes. Now I didn't know that it flashes. That's something that I never really paid attention to. I just held it and I can see the icons, but that's dope right there. Okay. All right, John. You got me on that one a little bit, just a little bit.
Number 5 is basically a must for anyone who uses an external hard drive with the PlayStation 5. Just make sure your hard drive is connected and then go into your settings, then select storage, and then choose extended storage. What you'll notice is that there's actually a feature to always install PS4 games to your extended storage device. In my opinion, this feature is absolutely genius because it basically ensures that your PS5 SSD won't be wasted by PS4 games that...
Oh. Okay, I see what's going on here. Let me see that one more time. So you can install your PS4 games on your external storage. Always PS4 games on your external storage. So your internal storage can be your PS5 games. I seen this when I install my SSD. I don't have not the external storage, my SSD, which I do got. Hold on, let me go get that real quick. Oh man. This SSD right here, we got a video coming soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned. If I ain't dropped before this video. But this is the SSD I use for the PS5 here, man. The Samsung Boost. Let me switch my screen here so we can get the Samsung 980 Pro for your PS5, man. The SSD was pretty easy to install. Yeah, take out the faceplate, slap it in, take out a few screws, slap it in. It's all in the video when I drop it. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. If it ain't already dropped, make sure you stay tuned. It's for the PlayStation 5 Ultimate setup. So don't miss that video because it's a banger.
In my opinion, this feature is absolutely genius because it basically ensures that your PS5 SSD won't be wasted by PS4 games that don't necessarily require the faster performance. So I definitely recommend keeping this feature enabled at all times. But there you guys have it. Now you know some of the secret features of the new PlayStation 5.
Yo, shout out to John Glasscock. Hey, look, man, that was fire right there. I did learn like 2 or 3 things from the video, man. Y'all get in the comments, let me know. Did you already know all these PlayStation 5 hacks and tricks? Did you already watch the video already? That's my first time watching the video. It's been out for 2 years, man. You know what I'm saying? That's on me. That's on me. But anyways, man, if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe, click the bell icon, turn your notification on all so you don't miss no bangers, man. We will be dropping a PS5 Ultimate Gaming setup, man, here shortly if I don't drop it before this video. So if you see the notification for that, go ahead and check it out. But if you see it after this, man, look, check it out. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely a banger. Ultimate gaming PS5 setup for 2023 or any year, really, man. 4K gaming. You know what I'm saying? We got all the SSDs, coolers. Look, I don't want to spoil the video for y'all, man. So be sure to check it out when it's dropped, man. But anyway, I'll catch y'all next video, man. I'm out this mug. Appreciate the love and support.